Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be drawing Goku Ssj3 full body. I'm pretty excited for this drawing. It took 4 or 5 hours, so you better like the video. Alright, sorry, but seriously, you guys better like the video. It took a long time. But anyway, I will be doing like one upload a week, so that's gonna be on Saturday. So when I do one upload, I will be doing like a really good drawing, so expect something like this every weekend. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us. feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We've both been there before. When a love shuts the door, it's a losing game. It's a losing game. But this time it's more than another lot of war. This ain't the same. This ain't the same. They say love heals all. It makes it all alright. In time, in time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. It feels so right. It feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying. There's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail. And all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I made sure to add some shine. Here's Ashidar. But I made sure to add some shine to the drawing to make it pop. So I added like a yellow outline. I made clouds and I sprinkled on some like red paint and stuff. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a subscription and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.